We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro MFP M276nw. So first things first, there's this little indentation right here. Go ahead and pull that down. It'll open your front hatch. There's this blue little handle looking, you can pull that and it'll release that little tray. Each color has its own slot. And if you'll look right here on the right hand side, there is the color guide, so you know what color goes where. Make sure when you're replacing your toners that you put it in the correct slot for that color. This printer takes a CF210 series, so they do have a high yield or low yield in that toner cartridge. So once you're done replacing it, you'll just push this back in. When it clicks, you know it's in place. Shut the front hatch, then your printer should start initializing. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.